Missed it.
He ate it.
Missed
Go, Millie. Eli, you gonna dig? You gonna dig? Dig. Dig, buddy. Get it. Dig.
What's this? You big goof.
There you go.
Go for it. Go for it.
Aw, Gypsy.
Jump the water randomly.
Are you going after your tail? Are you kidding me? Where is it? What's the matter, Gyps?
Oh, he got it.
Aw, Gypsy. You're okay, baby. You keep throwing the tiniest thing. Did you just fart?
Yes, I did. What?
You're frustrating him. You're not supposed to play with Millie. You're supposed to play with him. Didn't you know that? Get it! Get it, Eli! Get it!
You went to town, man.
Yeah. You're a good girl. Dig, Eli, dig! Dig! He's getting so frustrated.
What are you doing? What?
All right, Gypsy. Poor baby. Get him! Get him! Get him good!
You got me! Hi, Gyps! You coming to get me too?
Good girl, Gyp.
Let's get her!
No, dude, I'm holding onto a camera. Come on, man. That's not cool. Drown him. That's right, guys. Drown him. Swamp him. 3. Pile up on him. I'm telling you, man. You're frustrating him.